Quantemplate's data network allows you to request, send, and exchange data with your commercial partners. This brings some unique benefits for data governance and audit and helps you grow your network of trusted partners. The chain of custody feature shows all parties in a data flow between companies, giving you confidence in the origin and integrity of your data and transparency into how the data is being used and shared. So let's take a look at a typical example in the insurance industry. So here I'm a member of an insurance carrier. If we go into my feed, we can see that I'm requesting data from two parties. ACR are my managing general agent, or MGA, who specialise in a particular line of business, and they're uploading bordereaux data for premiums, claims, and payments every month. There's also a third-party administrator, or TPA, sending their loss adjustments on the claims each month. This is a feed in-out. So when the data arrives, I can process it with my pipelines automatically, but also pass on the original data directly to my reinsurance broker. Now, if we click on this icon, we can view the chain of custody for this submission. We can see the MGA and TPA at the top. We can see what data they submitted, when, and who submitted it. Downstream from my organization, we can see the data is going on to Placefield reinsurance brokers and that they have had a look at it recently. The brokers are passing the original data on to 3 reinsurers, each participating on a different layer of the program, which means I'm offsetting different portions of the risk to each of them. And this is how the chain of custody looks in their organization. They have a complete view of where the data came from, so that they have an assurance that the data remains exactly as originally submitted by the MGA and TPA. They can also see who else the data is being shared with and have confidence that the data is exactly the same for all parties. We can see that this reinsurer currently has a direct partnership with the brokers, but they can request a direct partnership with any member of the chain just by clicking here, helping them discover and establish new commercial relationships. This is all really easy to set up. A manager in example Re sets up a feed to request the data every month and creates a partnership with the MGA and TPA. If those organizations aren't already on Quantemplate, they'll be set up with their own free account. Do check out our other videos about how to create feeds and add partners. The MGA submits the premium, claims and payments bordereaux in their organization. And the TPA does the same in their organization. Back in the insurance carrier, this data is flowing into an automated pipeline to unify and validate it. To pass on the raw data to a broker, I just click here and confirm that I'm converting a feed in to a feed in out. Then I just add the broker as a recipient. The broker then receives the data in a feed in their organization. And they can pass it on to the reinsurers in the same way, clicking here to convert the feed and adding the 3 reinsurers as recipients. Whenever new data comes in from the MGA, it flows down through the chain instantly, and all parties have that certified view of where and when it originates and who else has access to it. Each individual submission has a chain of custody attached to it, a permanent and transparent record for all parties, giving you confidence in your data's provenance and integrity to help you meet your governance goals. And because every participant in the chain of custody is already part of the same trusted data framework, onboarding new commercial partners and establishing new connections for data sharing is simple. So that's Quantemplate's chain of custody.